ya ka Shnong kat kum ki jingkai balayo.
Ketika saya sewa ada jolek kaman lah usnem. Ketika saya sewa ada jolek kaman lah usnem. Dan sedang kata laduk rutarik New September kutko hado atarik Mr. Mo. Kamba daman ko cipenta to kasmika matna gandino. Tapi lepas ada jolek begini jeng pungkuk Shnong no. Hakate teman buat lagi tadi aktiviti semtok ada kata ka jeng pungkuk Shnong. Tajuk buku hado iki yau gihat.
We are from the Swachh Bharat Mission Department, East Chantiel District, and we've come here to this village today, Wapungskur village, to organize a small program whereby we are declaring this village as an ODF plus model village. The purpose of this program is to certify that this village meets all the criteria necessary for it to become an ODF plus village, whereby it has arrangements of both solid liquid waste management, IC messages, individual household latrine and public toilet. This program is conducted as part of the Greater Swachhta Hi Seva Celebration 2025.